In today's video, I'm going to teach you learn how to color cells, columns, or values in monday.com. 5 minutes. Let's get started by opening monday.com and signing in. Once you're in, choose the workspace where your board lives, then click the board you want to style. Everything we'll do happens right on this board, so make sure you have the right one open. To apply colors automatically based on your data, look to the top right of the board and open the three-dot menu. From there, select conditional coloring. This feature lets you set rules that highlight rows or specific columns when certain conditions are met. In the conditional coloring panel, choose what you want to color, like an entire row or a single column. Then set your criteria. For example, you might color any blocked status red, highlight numbers above a target in yellow, or flag overdue dates in orange. Pick the color that best communicates the situation, and when you're happy with the rule, save it to apply. A quick tip: keep your rules simple and distinct so they don't conflict. And remember that colors are visual cues only. They won't change the underlying data. Next, if you want a manual way to add colors that aren't tied to conditions, you can add a dedicated color picker column. In the top right of the board, click the plus icon to add a column, then choose More Columns to open the column center. Search for or locate the color picker option and add it to your board. This column is perfect when you want to assign a specific color per item, like labeling a creative theme, a priority band, or a branding palette. Once the color picker column appears, click any cell in that column to open the color spectrum. Select a color from the palette, adjust until it matches what you need, or input a hex value if you're matching brand colors. The color will be saved in that cell, and you can repeat this for each item. Consider renaming the column to something meaningful like label color or theme, so teammates instantly understand its purpose. For consistency, decide on a color legend with your team and apply it across items. That's it. You've learned how to use conditional coloring for automated highlights and the color picker column for manual selections. Use these tools together to make your boards clearer, faster to scan, and easier for your team to act on.